Right, fantastic morning, and as we are Jordan, Yankopon, the Ako weekend, about some Jimo, Nasa Washami, and as Yankopon Sianasa. Now, ya and some of the doses are there. Now, it's been gas at the time, that is something, bro. There's a fantastic water in the room, a quine, a chinikufu at the Abba Walla natural mineral water, Walla natural mineral water, Walla, okay, Hona. Yɛde nsabɔ no ɔhɛba ɛsɛ open so anoma wo so bi ton so bi sanse o wala ne bi ho na oni wala yɛ careful sanse sɛ bi ase ho ɛsɛ die yɛ kan kokɔ ne so no yɛ no wan hwɛ wakɔ no bibi ama na kɔfa sam de abroad no so pa ɛyɛ wala natural mineral water ɛno na make for ɛde ama na pɔm kan ho na yɛde nsabɔ no de abroad pacho the kan kakɔ no ɛsɛ yɛguso kɔyanim election na ba sectorial debate yɛguso yɛ ɛkyerɛ wo amanyoku ahodoɔ no ne swedi hu no de ma the various sectors nyɛdu agric sector. The sectorial debate is on. The next one, no, agric sector. And in November, we are there broad and then the annual subject to aquatic cash and so mame at the 11th of October and a wow no November, but October. It's a donation and some Swiss here, Tiasha, so for mammy now. Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy Boucher, and the producers, Yana Wakai and Ankasaka Kijuan, America City, where the best say at the feeder EPL. This weekend, interesting results. LA kickoff McKenzie, Manchester United, and extra form of Bossano, Copiemo, Chelsea, Soko Palma, Jumani Nitipa, the Zokopiemo, our table, and so Liverpool, and actually Abedi Kain, one also winning in the and I was 2-1 against Wolves and Arsenal, about Leicester City by 4-2. And Liverpool on top with 15 points, Manchester City second with 14 points, Arsenal Tosumi and Sound 14, and Chelsea Tosso and 9, 13 points. We understand England, Esi Etiana Yankopimo Spain and Babiana Ebibrenani won where the Madrid derby. Do Babina say a stopping game no for 15 minutes. And Sani at 12 cents and a fans they jumped to Tonyama Park and so but later and so Spain, they of so Hormono Barcelona, Eluzi 4-2 Adema Osasuna. So Barca first defeat of the season, what league in the Mono Champions League got to see from Boko. They had dream pa now. One more goalkeeper, Mark under the stage in a prep. Until now, I'm here goalkeeper, and I keep an eye on the check them say he's on goalkeeper. But what checks just me? No, see, I kind of Juventus, they say, or retirement, but they almost can't on the other neck. Casasa obey me about Benjamin Cacradia mom till the end of the season. On my so many goalkeeper for later on, I say transfer near tomb. We be phobia bar. This is a free agent. Until Chairman Titi Fiesa, no, Monquan Cacra, and Pomo de Tomra, Nomra Mechi and Fama FC Barcelona. Now, copy more than bonus league, Arima Bayern Munich, and Leverkusen game there, big game last season. Leverkusen, yes, Xabi Alonso, you're interested in the season, so basically, Vincent Company, a season answer, or chassis pa, chono, no more rough, Leverkusen holding to 1-1 and no more boy, about a copy more, Hono Martin say, yes, season, a chassis, copy more Spain, America, once a match out of Barcelona, and the leading table with 21 points, Real Madrid second. 18 points. The Costa Rica, Italy is also a very, very interesting record. Napoli, AC Milan, Neo Momaka, Caninano, Eguso, Bojumania, Easy Cra, and France, Paris Saint Germain, Mosuguso, Egumua, and Izeda, Yamra Fimer, the Coso, and so former sports minister, Honorable Ne Lante Van der Poel, not in Sabotuga, says I'll compare to Critical administration to Quasian administration. Jama, Cat at the end of the team. It's Gadi. Bassa.
Suspicion that the GFA was corrupt. Was it wrong for me to get BNI to ransack the office?
So you got BNI to go and ransack the office?
I'm asking.
No.
Wasn't the office of FIFA ransacked?
It was ransacked.
So what is it? And after that, what happened? So if I had not done that, would Anas have gotten the idea to do his expose on the GFA?
But was I right thing to do? The Anas expose?
Why not? Hasn't it helped?
You think so?
It has helped to some extent, but just that I think that now the corruption in the system is even more than the Yantechi. And if I get opportunity, I will do what I did again.
Really?
Yes. If I become the Minister of Sports in 2025, I will sanitize sports, GF. I will sanitize football once again. I'm not happy with what we're doing. I'm not happy. There are so many things wrong with our football. And unless we take bold steps to sanitize the system and take decisions that will inure to the benefit of the people who are doing football and the footballers, and not businessmen and Shylocks, football will not grow. the people who play the game, the people who invest their money, the people who invest their time in football should enjoy football. Not people who sit behind and turn footballers and then people who do football like poultry chickens, and then they only, anytime they desire to have them, they pick them up and then do their stew, their soup, and enjoy themselves. No, it won't happen. I've been a footballer before. I've been a sportsman before. I will fight against anybody who desire to exploit any sportsman.
Right, Honorable Ni Nante Fana. The Ghanaian Premier League match day 4 this weekend. Nanya some get to a crowd to say yes. I'm for actually from we be so shake, but Koroko Cochin draw. How to focus on your draw. A Lions won Swaterman by 2-1. Out to say yes. Now no de papa easy. So Brickum Chelsea 1, Asante Koroko 1. Nations House of Fox 0-0. Lions 2, Swaterman 1. Yan korade. Nan koresa on some sustie.
Rather picked up by Kunedu. And a quick throw it into. That's a lovely play! My goodness! And Karela United are in the lead. Ibrahim Giasu with Karela's first strike. That's it! Oh my goodness! And Karela are up by 2-0 in the capital city, in Sanya. And the Pride and Passing Boys celebrate their second. Looks to be the first victory of the season.
Right, Manone de Coso or the Ghanaian Premier. Now, I'm just in a fish resource on our cadence to see other resource a course, so you're and go screen this one of the Sani a coco yeah, Otum say yes, maybe visa and as an economy and my catcher or that. Between United winning 1 over Dreams FC, Basaki, Tefima Mediema Bonnet 2-1, Young Apostles winning 3-2 over Adriana, Heart of Lions, Sani Gold Stars, Yene Zulu, and I think so Legon Cities, Karela Bonnet 2, Sani near the Children, Summer Text winning 2-1 over Vision, Ewo, a fee, Samana Boy, eti we and Sani Fishers City, and after results City after match day 4. Mediema on top with 9 points. Now to say the Vienna Gold Star City with 7 points. It be about 4, be about 3. Mediema, despite about 3, but still on the table. No so about so I win training na Tadone Sani Sieti. I uncle Songo Steak and I pay. Diana, Mr. Patrick Osajaman countryman Songo. What am I? Songo Steak. So, Chama, you more by Nano pay.
Fantastic. Now we be able to call
Yamia don't be fine. Obi man so call there.
More fire. Me no Casano pay more Paris. Me that's still Paris.
Most definitely.
Yeah, that is Paris. And then the menu we pay. Now straight up to Berlin, Germany.
Okay.
Then from Berlin, no. Now back to Paris, then straight up to Ghana. Wow. For now, Salah cost.
Nesaka, Michel, bonjour. Oh, that means you go to France. Bonjour.
Oh, really? Okay, bonjour.
Yeah. Bienvenue. Just say welcome. That's a
mama.
Aha, ti. Offense. Yeah, offense into the French frap any mammy say Bibiana dear.
Oh, come on.
Okay. And then I want my Songo Steak so.
Hey, say you can't play football anymore. Near can senior. Opinion Lila Vanderpool Kayan. Also, your chance already. obe make sure say football no emre bi etwa mu anan ko person ye ni no obesa ye ni. You understand? One of the best sports ministers ayenya Neil Vanderpool. And I wish think obesa ye sports minister bi. Because o was akukuduro no na o ka asema oye o nimde no obetumi aye Neil Vanderpool. I wish pa think obetumi as a sports minister bi. You understand? And no kure any bit my boy. Old players he buy. A be a chance I said you a committee. A be a friends with a so-called football people. But omunya chance a omukasa Ediamo mino omukasa or a year a parliament in ano. As almost so they are beating around the bush. They are just beating around the bush and almost so a knee be keke. The real do and I said the real deal no also moka na efiri ho football no enkoye asai o de league yi kra league ya u show yi kra she coverage she coverage photos no o ani ba na o de hwe o ta si o mu ntwa ne ye ni TV right ye cameras o mu di twa nye papa eti football no say problems wom no more can no more can occur. Now, almost yes, na football no blasters crano ye here players ye local players. Na ye can see ye here players ye local players. Na ye can see ye here talent. Ghana local league ma metumi compete blasters with the foreign based players. But Stephen Apia can about blasters in your national teams football problems, you know. Omusano was a time no blasters no. Why not let that go no? And now not goalkeepers near Wamo. Now and I nay any goalkeepers. Nay any goalkeepers nana. Almost kind of quench football people say. Almost say a grown. And the main problem, and OP players are called national team, and I say OP players are called the various national teams. Who hear good coaches, young for blasters, no. Omo can crunch you, almost say blasters coach, you know. Omunimino, or you're gonna need to show ma. Wabo blasters in Ibida, but some few matches be pet. Sir, a year or two, I don't know. Omunim is own team coach, even to. So we have chance to do a World Cup coach. You got say, obey me and ask you want me which World Cup no of Felipe Pro. Ni coach na unkoye. I don't know when you not turn me as the coach we buy. I don't know how the woman to me and voice out. Or call committee one woman to me and say apart from see a casse, you hear local talent, you know, you hear some football, you hear a blaster say bit me. You hear the captain blasters bet me a show ni Bobino. I don't know one sanka. They can appear one sanka. Where Munina Ube here good coach on the time. Milo Krana near what Timidia qualify call World Cup Uncle dear semi-finals Krano. We are still keeping him on his toes near say ye win ye. But Milo no kuta start Milo Van Raiva. No kuta start. I know the airborne at that time. The second coming and near him say enkoye because near who is was de. Was de to us on obey Ghana. No. But the first coming, and that's what Mokofan by the day, you who style be. On Numpo Crano, a do baby Kana Milovan the net na bench. Because Milovan, Milovan, players. A canon. A Italian woman can say. Bla bring us to see our passes to blasters and any player selection. Na nipa na offer players no coach no ni ade oni akukudu obetima ka se coach ni ade ana o assess coach no coach no we matra we are just trying the coach no blasters coach no owo ho se wo the blasters ni sua coaching eti se mo kan kura no makale kure
okay
na ama enu ma timi ade ayeye na yetimi apega football ni bio na mo ba na mo beso ani dia no because enye and ye kase blasters no ehia good local players local players no so ubenya na ya ye local league ni ye
okay
ya say ya making sure say local league no are strong just ye what talent to kromo it is omo kika efa ense omo nsam fa football no ho a mo yi bi mfrim
okay
na selection papa ebe call the various national teams na good coaches sending appointed coaches to the national teams and your friends and chronics
right
and you will be a downfall
okay
and you didn't call national team but coach was separate and you didn't call national team
all right okay
eti omo hu say last stars no your selection yenkoye any ball yenkoye ni your tactics yenkoye no your coach no to ado no on trainer scout on na on your fit for the blasters and to omo ntimi hu sa de no omo nka your football no I say
Mate the man countryman Songo Songo stick merci beaucoup Sergio Manocho Bernard Paddy Boucher me producers Wala natural mineral water benu so e Wala no so keke Wala natural mineral water Wala kan ho no pai na yede awokansie ebre wo kejwara nkasa ne Erica sie dubuadi mesese fiama kwatama kro ade apomodi on sambeto asokoso a na hwebedwo